knows what they bout to hear. More than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man, takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds, so stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. In my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in this video, I'm going to give you 4 exercises you can do right when you get out of bed, less than 5 minutes, and have a healthy lifestyle for the rest of your life. Here we go. Okay, so right now, I'm going to demonstrate the 4 exercises that you can do as soon as you get out of bed for less than 5 minutes. So the first one is push-ups. Why would we do push-ups? Push-up is for the upper body, to give you upper body strength. We always need that to push off, to pull ourselves. So doing these push-ups, the way I'm going to show you how to do them is easy. And we're going to start with that right now. My recommendation is that you start on your knees, because if you're not used to doing push-ups, it'll alleviate a lot of pressure on your shoulders instead of doing a full body. So we go with the knees, hang out and shoulder width apart with your hands, and you go down and up, at least 10. Start off with 10. After you do that, then we have the plank exercise. This is for your core. It helps strengthen your core and your midsection. And we'll do that at first for 20 to 30 seconds. And move with a 4-week period, move up to 60 seconds. And this is how we do it. 1001. 2020. The next exercise is the crunching. And we'll do that starting off with 20. If you can't do 20, do 10. Cross your legs, right over left. Hands behind your neck. Don't pull on your neck, but hands behind your neck, and you crunch up for 20. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to 2, and you're going to do the opposite leg, so left over right, but then you're going to twist, like so. 1, 2. And the last exercise is the dip. I call this a male groin dip. Feet shoulder width apart, feet out at the angle, and your squat, you're not doing a full squat, you're just dipping. When you do it, starting off with 30 and getting to 60. And there you have it. Those 4 exercises, less than 5 minutes, and you'll be healthy for the rest of your life. Remember, always stay hydrated in the morning, before you exercise, after you exercise, and throughout the week for your health. For more information on health and wellness, subscribe to my channel. Till next time. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Out of here, more than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words, his bonds will stand with thee.